So let's say you're working for a mall and you've been given a job profile and you're supposed to be doing your role there, but in your mind you only have competition and you only have, let's say, awards, and you want only, let's say, certificates and stuff. Then the joy or the work that you're set out to do, probably, which is a creative work, which is a task assigned, the meetings, the brainstorming and stuff which you're supposed to do in an organization, you will not be able to do those because the driving force behind those is actually just recognition and stuff like that. There's so many brands who have a lot of these employee recognition strategies and stuff in place. So that's an ideal environment to be in, because that's kind of keeping people going, and they become a part of the families and they become a part of the culture and stuff. So they have this thing about getting awards and recognition. But in organizations or places where people are not with these kind of employment benefit strategies and stuff, it's a kind of a bad bet to kind of only focus on getting up and doing your stuff only because you're getting a reward or recognition. So let's say you're a business owner, let's say you're a retail shop owner, you're a furniture guy. They don't do work, or they don't run their shops and they don't run their outlets for recognition and fame and stuff. They open their shops and they start doing their work and they start designing and selling furniture and other stuff because they love doing it, and they want to kind of make profits and revenues and stuff, and they want to have services and stuff. So this is where the balance, and this is where the mindset has to be, not about recognition and fame, but actually about doing work and quality work and delivering on time. And there are a few points which I've written down here. So these are basically kind of highlighting the same, that it says, they say that goals that are made about loving what you do rather than chasing what we don't is a better spot to be in, because when you're doing something which you're loving, it keeps you going and it helps you revisit habits and projects, and it also kind of helps you get back when you don't kind of want to continue the next day. So the tips here are: pick up where you left, pick up the projects, pick up the assignments, pick up the books that you were reading, pick up the cassettes that you were kind of following, pick up the videos that you were doing, kind of tidy up your space and stuff, call old friends, revisit old colleagues, kind of try different routes and stuff. And when you're in the organizations and stuff, it's not just about working, it's also about being a part of a culture or being a part of environment. So it's about friendships as well and stuff. So seek out ways to appreciate how people are around you and what people mean to you and stuff. And it should never be like a cutthroat competition kind of a place, because mindsets don't have to be competitive, and mindsets don't have to be target oriented. An organization is also about relationships and associations. Then I've been sharing this, each day in the beginning or at the end of the day, write down the tasks you're supposed to do, and keep ticking them off when you're done, because then that's going to kind of make you realize that you had so much to do and you've done it off. It's off your list. Start finding meaning and joy in what you do, and do not work what you wish for you had done. See, what is done, what can't be done is done. So best is to focus on what is ideally possible to be done now, with a purpose and a meaning. And when you do this, you will actually start automatically liking your work and stuff. So there is a very interesting term called the spend cleanse. So spend cleanse means trying to teach yourself that the art of gratification or instant boost doesn't just come from the monies you earn, and doesn't come just from the work you do. You're supposed to be enjoying yourself even if you're not working. Give everything you own a home. It is very essential to be feeling peace in your spaces where you're working, at your homes, at the environment you're spending your time and everything. And of course, call all the important people, not making it look like a privilege or a responsibility or a job. Be genuine about it, and do something important immediately in the morning. So what happens is,